Welcome to Learning, your go-to channel for tips and tricks on various topics. In this video, we're going to focus on one of the most essential skills for anyone who works on a computer, typing. Improving your typing speed is not only beneficial for productivity but also for reducing stress and fatigue associated with long typing sessions. So, let's dive into some practical tips that will help you increase your typing speed and accuracy. Practice, practice, practice. The first step to increasing your typing speed is to practice consistently. This can be done by using online typing tools such as Typing Club or typing tests on websites like 10 Fast Fingers. Alternatively, you can download typing software such as Typing Master or Keyblaze to help you improve your typing speed and accuracy. Make it a daily habit to practice for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Try to identify the areas where you struggle the most, such as typing speed, accuracy, or finger placement. Then, focus on improving those areas by practicing specific exercises. Focus on proper finger placement. Typing with proper finger placement is essential for increasing your typing speed and accuracy. The standard finger placement is called a touch typing, where each finger has a designated key to press. The fingers on your left hand should rest on the keys A, S, D, and F, while the fingers on your right hand should rest on the keys J, K, L, and the semicolon, winky face key. Once you become comfortable with touch typing, you'll be able to type without looking at the keyboard, which will significantly improve your typing speed and accuracy. Use correct posture. Using correct posture while typing is also essential. Keep your back straight, your feet flat on the ground, and your arms at a 90-degree angle to your keyboard. This will help prevent strain on your neck, shoulders, and wrists, reducing the risk of injuries associated with prolonged typing sessions. Increase your WPM. WPM, or words per minute, is the standard measurement for typing speed. The average typing speed is around 40 WPM, but with practice, you can increase your speed to 60, 80, or even 100 WPM. To increase your WPM, start by typing simple words and phrases and gradually increase the difficulty level. Try to maintain your accuracy while increasing your speed. Remember, it's better to type accurately and slowly than to make mistakes and go back to correct them, which slows you down. Take breaks. Taking breaks is crucial for preventing strain and fatigue on your hands, arms, and eyes. Take a short break every 20 to 30 minutes to stretch your fingers and rest your eyes. This will help prevent injuries associated with prolonged typing sessions and improve your productivity. In conclusion, improving your typing speed is a valuable skill that takes time and practice. But with consistent effort and the tips we've shared in this video, you'll be able to increase your typing speed and accuracy, which will undoubtedly benefit you in the long run. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Learning for more informative videos like this.